Transformational Conscious Arts. The art of listening to energy. Deep listening is an art form. It is essential to learn to listen deeply in order to build a relationship with universal intelligence. As we learn to still our minds, let go of our reactions, and listen from our center, we move into real intimacy with it. Through mastering the art of listening, we begin to feel and take in what another person is saying to us. We learn to listen to the transmission of energy coming behind the words. The universe communicates with us all the time through the language of energy. As we develop the skill of deep listening, we can learn to read and interpret what this energy is saying to us in each moment. The truth is always written in the energy, and as we develop this skill, we become highly attuned to what this intelligence is saying to us and where it is guiding us in our lives. The art of acceptance. We can only really gain vision by living life and playing out what we need to in order to learn and grow. We are not here to get it right. We are here to make mistakes and to experience life with our eyes wide open in order to develop discernment and wisdom. Only then can we really graduate from behavior patterns, situations, and relationships that no longer serve us. As we allow ourselves to get it wrong and to accept ourselves in all of our imperfections, we move into deeper self-love and allowing. As we accept ourselves, we can also accept others. We allow them to experience what they need to without interference and judgment. We realize that everything is unfolding perfectly and that the intelligence of the universe is guiding us in a way that is totally unique to our process. The art of the divine love affair. As we develop a deep relationship with the universe, we become co-creators with this incredible intelligence. As we learn to listen to it, we build direct access to it, to the fountain of chi and life force energy flowing through us. We learn to get out of the way and become channels of expression for this transformational energy. First for ourselves and then for those around us. As we learn to discern our emotions from deep feeling and develop the art of divine alchemy, we move beyond feelings of lack or need in our lives. Instead, we are in a deep love affair with the universe. We feel gratitude, abundance, fun, adventure, sweetness, and love. We are in a constant process of growth, expansion, and evolution with this creative and intelligent force. The art of surrender to serve. To surrender our will and to place our destiny in the hands of the universe is to serve something greater than us. It is a very high place to live from. As we let go of the old world reality that has no real connection with energy or how the universe works, we move into a reality of serving and trusting the universe. We master the art of moving out of control. We put the universe in charge and begin to serve it, listening in each moment to what it is asking of us. We may find that what we thought were our real dreams and desires pale in comparison to the endless gifts that we receive from the universe as we trust in its effortless ability to provide for us. Serving the universe brings many rewards and allows us to live from a place of real inclusion, sensitivity, and the highest form of love. The Transformational Conscious Arts and their mastery guides us there.